Hello guys, Wurkkos has just sent me this new flashlight. They want me to do a review of it, so here we go. This is new to me, like a 90-degree angle flashlight. Let's do a quick unboxing of it as well. It's a tape over here which needs a cut, and then it's just open it, and there we have a tab which you can pull, and here we have it in its nice plastic. And inside this plastic you have a USB-C to USB-C cable, some kind of loop, which is like, let me see if I can show you this. Yes, like a carabiner. And you have one tiny one with a thread and a loop. This one fits of course nicely inside here. And this again can then be used in this carabiner. Let's see. Here we go. Okay, then you have a big manual, which is very useful to explain all the lighting modes. And some cardboard which refer to some nice things over here. YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. Back side of the box on the side. Yeah. That's it really. If you take a look at the Wurkkos website, you will find the torch flashlight, and you can scroll down and see here. You can choose between different colors: orange, blue, and now there are also black and burgunder, I have heard. I got the black one. Some YouTube reviews. 680 times, say 680 lumens. 20 modes plus RGB. Battery, 600 milliamps battery. Very nice. Yeah, everyday carry. Fantastic light. 680 lumens, it says over here. Amazing. 8 light modes. Here you can use the red and the blue one on your bicycle, maybe, like this show here. And here is the lanyard loop, leap class. Yeah. Dual switch, spotlight, floodlight. And here again you can see the red light can come in handy if you are bicycling. Very clever. Here you have the charging status, also useful. IPX6 waterproof, that is astonishing. That's a big hose of water straight at the light. Okay guys, now I have zip tie this nice little pocket torch to this IPX6 test rig, and yeah, hopefully it will take it. This is the big hose, calibrated. Yeah, let's start the test. Okay, look at this. That's what I call a IPX6 test. Moist on the lens? Hopefully not. Let's see. Oh, you need to zoom out. Okay, let's see if it's working. I'm using It's amazing. It's working just great. Let's check if there's some water inside the USB port or something like that. Okay, let's see. And here we go. Let's turn it off. Oh, I am a little. There you have it. It's wet all over the place, of course, but let me get some paper. Let's dry it off on the outside, and then it's excited to see how it's working on the inside. Okay, maybe there are some moist, but there are nothing in the plug, USB-C plug. So I will say IPX6 passed. This tiny Wurkkos light has some very nice features, like an RGB. This is nice. Let me show you. This tiny switch on the side here, it is fluid light and spotlight. If you press once, you will get, of course, one of them. Now it has fluid light, it will light all the LED on the outside, which is very hard to see here now. And here we have what is called spotlight, because it's only the one LED in the middle. And if you flick the switch on the side, you get what they called fluid light. The difference is also by color. You can see, I don't know if your camera can see it, but on the eye you can see this is bluish spotlight, and this is much warmer floodlight. Single tap and it goes off. You can change the brightness by single tap by starting it, and then press and hold. You get level 2, press and hold, level 3, press and hold, level 4, and press and hold back to level 1. So we had 4 levels. When the flashlight is on, you can double tap it and it will go to turbo mode. Very bright indeed. And then single tap to get it back on. And one more, turn it off. Okay, let's test the RGB mode. You turn the light off, put it into this wide beam, and then double tap. So double tap, you get this one. And one more. Double tap. Okay. Double tap. All right. Double tap again. Yep, changing colors. Looks very nice. And then double tap, RGB, and double tap. Okay, some kind of blue circle. Double tap again. Yeah, changing colors. Every time it's blink, new color. Very nice. And then double tap, another RGB circle, and double tap, and we're back on the first one, I think. Yeah, definitely. Turn it off, one single tap. The little on-off switch has a tiny green LED inside. If you press and start the flashlight, it will show you the color of the status of the charge. This one will be green, it will only stay on for 5 seconds, so there we go out. It has an orange status, it's from 20 to 50%, and if it's red, it's 1 to 20%. So when it's green, it's very healthy. When it comes to charging, it will light red until it is finished. And the charging speed is 3.5 watts, which is it's okay. There's also a mode called Moonlight. You just press and hold when the torch is off, flashlight is off. Press and hold the little tiny button, and there you get it. Cute little light. Very useful when you are tenting or something, to not blind yourself. Short press and it goes off. There's also a locking mode, because this button is very easy to access. So to lock it, you press 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and it flashes 2 times. And every time you touch the button, it will flash. You cannot turn it on. The only thing that works is if you hold it, then you will get this tiny moonlight. But as soon as you release it, it goes back on. To unlock it, you just press 3 times again. 1, 2, oh, that's very hard. 1, 2, 3, and there we go. Then everything is back to normal. Yes, fantastic. Clever solution. Wurkkos, huh? Nice. Okay guys, here you have it. The fantastic Wurkkos with this lanyard type of hanging. Works good. Nice quality, made of aluminium. Hook, magnet. Everything's good. Magnet could be a little bit stronger, but it's working. On the back here, there's a clip. Or in this part, there's a magnet. Let me show you if that is working. Yes, it does. I have better magnets, but it's strong enough to hold the light, so it will do the job. Thanks for watching, guys. No, det var ikke sånn nå. Hope to see you next one. So I just say goodbye to say I love you. Yeah, something. That's all for me this time. Hope to see you in the next one, guys. Faen, dette her da. I can really recommend this. This is much harder than you think to end the movie. Let's try one more time. So, I provide links for it up in the corner and down below, so you can check it out if you like. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.